Hello everyone, this is Nicole from Altenew. Thank you for joining me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to layer images up from Botanicals stem set. It's a very simple steps, so I'm going to just walk you through one by one. There's two large images that you can layer together, one in solid silhouette and one in dot pattern. So let's start with one of the images in solid. I'm going to ink this up in Parrot. And we're going to ink up the dot pattern to layer on top of it using a darker color, which is moss. Ink that up nicely and you're going to line just right on top of it. I have a camera in front of me, so I can't really completely line it up without blocking the view. So this is just to give you an idea, and you're going to be able to line these up perfectly and stamp on top of each other. Now for the second one, I'm going to use the other solid leaf in Parrot color as well. The colors I'm using are from Tropical Forest color family. Stamp that, and let's move on to the dot pattern and stamping this in moss color. Line that up perfectly and stamp. And that's all there's to it. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, email us at support@altenew.com.